Hello, everyone! Welcome back to HTVRONT's YouTube channel. Today, we will sublimate on cotton with DTF film. Prepare the needed materials. DTF film, scissors, hot glue powder, painter's tape, sublimation printer, heat press, cotton shirt. Now we need to put painter's tape on the non-printed side. Cut off the excess tape. Print it. Then apply hot glue powder to sublimation ink. Use a heat press to cure the hot glue powder. Apply hot glue powder again. Cure the hot glue powder again. Look it. Now we need to transfer this design. Cold peel. Okay, it's done. The color is beautiful and perfect. And it's so soft that I think it's breathable more than vinyl. Thank you for watching our videos for today. If you like this video, click like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time!